How to buy DoorDash gift card on Amazon. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and type in www.amazon.com. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Under here, you will see gift card tab. Or you can also go at the search bar and type in DoorDash gift card. From the result below, you select a DoorDash card. Under here, select the amount that you want to purchase and enter an email address for a recipient. If you would like to send a message, here you can write it. Now select the quantity that you would like to purchase. At the box below, add your delivery date. Once it's all done, go ahead and click on Add to Cart. Then click on Proceed to Checkout. And just like so, enter your shipping address and you will be able to buy your DoorDash gift card. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe for more helpful contents like this.